What's up, everyone? Welcome back to Oak Brothers Garage, the new episode of Life with Porsche. A long time passed since last episode about my Porsche build, and actually there is many reasons why that happened. First of all, we finally did CC Nation Festival, which was held on Free Racetrack. The event was absolutely huge for the first time. There was 2 hours traffic jam to enter the event, so if you want to check it out how it was, links in the description, go check it out. This actually was the main reason why the Porsche build was stopped, and I didn't release any new episodes because in 2 weeks we was working really hard day and night to create this event. So after that event we received a phone call from the guys who are organizing the auto exhibition, the biggest in Baltics, maybe only in Latvia. So they invited us to take a part in this season special edition. So we got the opportunity to show our CC Nation car enthusiast cars in our booth. Also, I showed the Super Wrap. Before that, we also have an expo in our biggest shopping mall where everything started regarding CC Nation. So we also showed 10 cars there. So grab a snack and enjoy the episode of Life with Porsche. But now I'm jumping in the garage and work on the build. I'm here in a paint booth, and the reason why I'm in paint booth because all the parts is in a booth. I actually stopped at the body shop just like, oh, I'm at home time, let's go and check it out what's happening, because yesterday I called painter and when I reached him, but he forgot me to call me back. So yeah, I stopped and voila, I'm here just in time, in the right place, in the right time, and they are painting the car. I will stay here for the whole process and I will show you. Yeah, so in the car is getting ready to be moved in the booth. Just get out the hood and the doors. So now we will remove the fenders from the booth and roll in the car. This is it. Body shell is painted and we almost finished with the body shop. A few parts are still left to be painted. They are almost prepared, but today the main thing is done. Car shell is in the clear coat and I'm absolutely happy with the color choice because I was all the time worried, is it the right one? Do the color look gorgeous? All the questions was asked in my mind for myself, and I was like, maybe I need to change it, maybe not, what's going to happen? But I made the decision, and decision what I think it was right, and now car is in a clear coat and looks absolutely gorgeous, fantastic. I can't even wait to see how it will look on the sunlight, because in the sunlight it will look much better. So yeah, as you see, everything is gloss. The interior back is absolutely fantastic. I think this is a right decision to leave it as it is without any seats. Yeah, so let it stay here for a week, and I think that soon I will come and pick up the car and we can start assembling. Don't forget to subscribe. I'm here again in my hometown to pick up the Porsche. Quick stop in a gas tank, grab some ice cream, and let's move forward. Alright, so car is in a garage, and this means that new milestone is beginning. Actually, I don't know from which corner, from where I should start. Now I'm trying to collect all the parts, clean up the car. I think I will start with the trunk. I will apply all the possible rubber sealings.
This is lit.
Alright guys, so yesterday we took apart full suspension back and forth. So here it is, the back swing arms, nothing under the car, same in the front. I gave motor mounts to Aqua Blasting. It's something new in town. For this and to these parts they asked 40 euros. Alright, so I assembled almost the one side of front suspension with all the brake calipers, but as you maybe see, there's a huge gap between. Yeah, and this is actually because brake disc guard is actually on the line with the brake caliper. Ow! As you see here, yeah. It's a really nice big gap. We need to cut here the straight line in line with the adapter. Assemble the whole side and bolted on also the wheel. Looks absolutely fantastic. I really like, can't wait to put it on the road. And now I wanna press out this bushing. Now I just started to sort the wiring harness in the car, I found actually a lot, really a lot wires which are not from the car. All these wires and a lot of garbage wiring is done on the original wire harness. As you see, there's professionals done that. Of course, this is not absolutely professional thing. This is absolutely awkward. What are those wires? Where they go? Really a lot of questions I have. Also, what are those wires? Like a lot of, also these wires are not the original. They are connected with the original ones under the dashboard. So now I need to find out how to fix the original wiring. I just finished bending the template tube. So this is the new one for the final try. I hope I will make it right. So let's begin to make the final.